Hi everyone, so I'm back to share with you the tab bound journal book that I made. I done a craft with me video yesterday whilst I was decorating it, and I have since then put the link to Made by Martha, who I followed her tutorial on doing the tab binding. Okay, I'm not going to do the video because, you know, it's out there already, and you know, I followed her, so if you want to see how it's made, I will link it again below in the description box. So I made this out of envelopes, and there is it 7 envelopes? Six envelopes. There's no pages to like actually journal in, but everything can be wrote on, so it can still be a journal. I'll give you the measurements. So the envelopes, I did trim them down a little bit, so it's 8 1/4 by 4 1/2, so it's kind of like a traveler's notebook size journal book. Okay, and I left the back blank. Okay, so here on the front, that was something that I didn't know what I was going to do with when I was doing the video, the craft with me, which I will put on the end of the video on the screen. There will be a link to the craft with me if you want to see like what I used and how I done it. So this is actually from my Christmas journal kit that I'm making. I haven't finished it yet, so that will be available soon. And here, this is like a long skinny card envelope, and I just decorated that up with a couple of these were scrap pieces, and I just kind of layered them together. And then there's 2 tags on here. They're from ARTYMaze, and it's from the Christmas collage kit, and I think that is as well. And I've put a tab on there, so that goes in there. We've got a little pocket there. This was just a little piece of ruffle that I'd made for my last Christmas journal, and I had a bit left over, and then I've put Silent Night on there, and I've got a little robin here. And I'm just going to show you the tabs again. So easy peasy to do. And as you can see, I've got red and gold, it's gold and white eyelash trim on there. Just making sure I'm in frame. So on the inside here, I decorated this. I've used papers from ARTYMaze and Tsunami Rose, and I will link them below with their Christmas kits that they have in their Etsy stores. My light's flickering again. It's my ring light to the left of me. So yeah, all decorated up here. We've got journal space there. I added this on. I didn't do that in the video. I added that on as an afterthought. And then here, you see me do the collaging. There's not much really on here because a lot of it is actually on the papers, but I've done this piece and that piece. Again, this pocket is from my Christmas journal kit that I'm making, my digital one, and so is this. And this is from one of ARTYMaze's kits. Can't remember which one. I think it might be Christmas Cheer, possibly. But like I said, I will link ARTYMaze and Tsunami Rose below, because they've both got tons of Christmas kits. And then here, oh, do you know what I forgot to do? I will show you actually at the end, because I've got tags all sticking in the envelopes. So here again, just that was a simple little collagey bit. And here we have this tag is from ARTYMaze, and it's from the Rustic Winter kit. And this is from ARTYMaze, the Christmas collage kit. And so is that. Pocket is from my kit that I'm working on. And then here, I think this is Christmas Cheer. Could be wrong, but I think that's what it is. Yeah, Christmas Cheer. And I just done a little bit of collage in here. The rest was all on the paper. The pocket is from my kit that I'm working on, and so is this. Kit that I'm doing is going to be like quite a kind of vintage, traditional Christmas kit. Here, I just done some collaging on here, made some kind of 4 washi tape with bits of paper that was left over. The word Believe, I thought that was from the Christmas collage kit, but it's not, and I don't know what kit it's from, but I'm sure it's from ARTYMaze. These 2 pockets are from ARTYMaze. That is from my kit that I'm working on, and these are from ARTYMaze as well, Christmas Cheer and Christmas collage kit. And I did say I put that on there as well. And then here, ARTYMaze, what did I call that? The Christmas, Rustic Winter, Rustic Christmas, Rustic Winter, Christmas Cheer, and Christmas collage kit. Then here I've just done a piece here of Tsunami Rose, added that on, didn't do that in the video but added that on afterwards, and you can see what's there. Christmas pocket there from the kit that I'm working on. No, oh, that was the only thing that I kind of collaged on there, was the word December. That's from my kit that I'm working on, and this is from ARTYMaze Christmas Cheer. And then here we've got another pocket that I'm working on, just a little bit of collage in here. Rustic Winter and Christmas Cheer. Pockets are from my kit that I'm working on. And so is that, mine that I'm working on. Little collage in here. These are, most of that is all ARTYMaze's little bits that I've collaged on from various different kits. Christmas collage kit, and so is that, with a little robin and the back. And then, like I said, in the tops you can see I've got all them tags. So in this one, it is the red one. This is from the Rustic Winter kit, and I'll put them all back in a minute. And then this one is freebie from my coffee shop, so if you want that, it's in my coffee shop. Then here we have, I didn't want to put too much fluffy trim on at all because it was starting to look too much, like especially all in like the top area. This is from Rustic Winter. And then here, I think this is a freebie over on my coffee shop. And then here, this is Rustic Winter. And then here is, that's a freebie on my coffee shop, which is quite similar to one of the tags that I've done, but it was a different background. So yeah, that's all the tags that are in the tops of the pockets. I might actually just put some of these tabs on. Where are they? I've got some floating around somewhere. Some of these, I will pop a few of them, well not a few, but I'll pop one of them on each of them like so. I'll do that in a minute. So that is that. I enjoyed making that. It was good fun. Definitely will be doing journals like that, and I was actually thinking the next time I try it, I'm gonna, rather than doing the 3, I'm gonna do 2 and a long one, see if that works out. You know, have like a longer tab in the middle and then just smaller tabs at the top, but I don't know if that'll work or not, but I will give it a try. Probably will. But yeah, there we go. This will be for sale on my shop if you're interested. You can find the link to my website below in the description box. If you have any questions, just ask, and thanks for watching. Bye.